So guys, here's the blinkers at night. As you can see, they're nice and bright. Definitely different than the other ones. And then here's the high beams on in full sun. You can see them nice and white. And what I love about these is the color matches 100%. Very nice bulbs. No error codes or nothing on the dash. Perfect fit. As you can see, they're nice and just pure white. There's no blue tint to them. So I like that. And then here's the blinkers. As you can see, that's full sun, and you can still notice them. So I like that. Adds to the safety of them. Extremely bright. I like them. And with the overlay on the top of them, they're not like blinding, but they are definitely a lot brighter than the incandescents. And I like the instant on and instant off. It's nice just to complete the LED lights. And the camera really doesn't pick it up, but they are a deep red. Kind of looks orangish on here, but it's as red as all the other lights around it, so that's great. And then here I'm using the high beams at night. Right there. You can see they're nice and piercing white. They don't really throw the beam to the side of the road. It's mainly just in front. Like right there you can see. But definitely throws the beam a lot further. And I like it. And then the nice part is they're all white. So as far as like matching the other lights, it's dead on. And then here's me driving. There's a lot of lights here, so you're not going to notice a whole bunch, but I'll put the high beams on here again, right there. So you can see it's nice and white, and it definitely lights up the road. So if you guys are thinking about upgrading your high beams, I would definitely recommend these bulbs. No issues with them. Like I said, the build quality looks really good. They're a solid unit. Nothing like moves when you put them in, like the cheap build ones are kind of, you know, cheaply made. So highly recommend them. Hope you guys got a good view of the lights. I mean, it's nothing dramatic, I know, but you got to see that it's 100% white to match the stock low beams. And then as far as the blinkers in the back, nice bright light and a deep red. No hissing noise from the resistors, no hyper flashing, no error codes on the dash. So as far as my light goes, I like these ones. I like the blinkers I got, and then the high beams. allalighting. The links are in the description on those videos. I highly recommend them. Great company and great customer service. If you ever have any issues, reach out to them. They'll definitely help you guys out. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.